Hello and welcome to this quick guide. In today's video, I'll show you how to stop Instagram from accessing your contacts on an Android phone. This is a helpful step for improving your privacy and limiting data sharing. If you've allowed contact access before, you can easily turn it off. Let's begin. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. Then, tap the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. Next, scroll down and select Device Permissions from the menu. Tap on Contacts to manage access. Now click on Update Device Settings when prompted. Then, click on Open Device Settings. You will now be taken to your phone settings. Tap on Permissions. Select Contacts again. Finally, tap on Deny to stop Instagram from accessing your contacts. And that's it. You've successfully denied Instagram access to your contacts on Android. If this helped, feel free to subscribe for more quick tutorials. Stay safe and in control online.